Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Node. JS 18 Plus and NPM are installed. This powers package management and the dev server. Once done, open VS Code and install ESLint, Prettier, and React extensions so linting and formatting run automatically. Next, create a project with npx create React app my app or use Vite for speed. Then open the folder in VS Code. Make sure to initialize a Git repo now so you track changes and avoid losing work. This is practical and fast. You should open the integrated terminal and run npm install, then npm start to confirm the dev server is live. This helps catch errors early. Once running, configure ESLint and Prettier in VSCode/settings, JSON so automatic fixes run on save. Then leverage React snippets and IntelliSense to scaffold components quickly and use the Explorer and search to refactor safely. Also, set up launch JSON if you want to debug components step by step. This saves time during complex state bugs. You finish by adding tests and running npm test so UI regressions are caught. Use React testing library for component level checks. When ready to ship, run npm run build and inspect the bundle size, then deploy the static output. If something breaks locally, check the browser console and terminal for ESLint errors. Make sure dependencies match package lock. JSON. If problems persist, remove node modules and run npm sci to reinstall cleanly. This often resolves version drift and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.